Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to do a quick video on how I customized and changed the color of my little charm here from AliExpress. I'm just going to use some base coat, top coat of course, and then some gel polish. This is the Femi Beauty Cute AF. It's a purple glitter shade. I wanted to change the color because I don't have any like winter charms that were purple, and I got this glitter at Michael's. I'll show that in a little bit, and I saw that glitter and I just immediately saw like a winter set with it. It's really pretty, so I wanted to change the color, so I just put a little bit of base coat on there and I cured that for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to be going in with some thin layers of the purple polish. I did about 3 coats of that. First I'm using the brush that came with the polish, and then you'll see I go ahead and switch to a thinner brush so I can really get it detailed. I got these brushes from Shein. They're really good for like cleaning up in little small spaces. So I got those just to clean up the glitter that went down in that little, there's a little space between the hat and like the rim of the hat. We actually used to use these in the dental field. I was a dental assistant for about 16 years, and we used to use those brushes when we did our fillings to place the material in the tooth. So it's just funny that I'm using dental bibs and little dental brushes to do nails now, but those brushes are really good, so I'll link them down below. So yeah, I'm just still going in with a couple layers of the polish and then just using that little brush to clean up anything that went down in that little space there. So this is the glitter here. I got it from Michael's craft store. It's called Fairy. It's a extra fine glitter. It's purple and it has green holographic glitter in it. It's so pretty. When I saw that, I knew I had to do a winter set. I have some snowflakes that are the exact same purple with the green holographic effect, so I just knew I had to do a set with that. So I'm just, before I cured the last coat of the polish, I just sprinkled the glitter on while it was still wet and then cured it once I put the glitter on, and then I go ahead and put top coat on top of the glitter and then cured that for about 45 seconds. And then now I'm going to go ahead and start on the scarf. So I'm just going to be doing the exact same process, putting the base coat and then putting a couple layers of the polish and then finishing it off with the glitter. Alright, so that's the finished little snowman there. I like the way it came out. Not sure how long the glitter and stuff's gonna last, but I think it came out super cute. So I'm going to go ahead and just do the other one, and hopefully I can get that set done pretty soon.